Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from styling services to shopping hauls. And for the styling services, I like to try a wide array of styling services. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe below for returning viewers. Thank you guys so much for coming back and for your support. I really appreciate it. So today I am doing a Suitable You shopping haul, and I will explain what it is while I attempt to open up this box. It is a styling service similar to Stitch Fix. You get 5 items. It has a $20 styling fee that does apply to anything you purchase if you buy 3 items or more. So that's kind of the catch. But the beautiful thing is you do get 10% off if you buy 3 items or more. So it's kind of a trade-off there. If you buy all 5 items, you do get 20% off. You get 4 days to decide what to keep and what to send back. They provide a mailer to send back what you aren't going to keep, which is always nice. And that's kind of the main gist of it. So if that sounds interesting to you and you want to try it and you want $20 off of your first box, then my referral link is below and I also get $20 off, which is super awesome. So let's go ahead and dive right into this. So in my box, I have a tissue paper wrap bundle. You can't see anything in it, so I'm going to go ahead and dive right in. You also, like I said, you get your mailer to send back what you're not going to keep, and then you get styling notes about each item, and then your prices. And I will go over the styling notes as soon as I get this bundle open. I've gone through it all. Okay, let's start at the top. I think I maybe asked for some kind of wintry work dresses and maybe some sweaters, I think. I don't know. I can never remember what I asked by the time I get to the end. Okay, in there, 2 things that I see in here. There's always a card that tells you more about Suitable You, how they work, things like that. There's another page here, which I haven't seen before, that you get $10 in bonus gift cards for every $50 you buy. So that's a great Christmas gift if you know somebody who wants some business wear. Oh, I forgot to mention that. This is a styling service of business wear. So it can be, some of it is more casual, considering a lot of us do have casual Fridays, but then the rest of it is kind of business wear for the rest of the week. In your styling service, you do tell kind of what your office dress code is, whether it's a formal or a business casual, or what kind of wear you wear to work, so that's always nice. Okay, also right now there's a 10% off code, so you get an additional 10% off when you check out, so that is fantastic. Now let's get into this. All right, first off, we have this beautiful kind of burgundy shirt blouse. It's got kind of a couple layers to it, so it's not a sheer blouse. It has a little lace front here. Oh, the tag's in the way. The lace front here in the front, which is an interesting detail. Kind of just a cute little fluttered sleeve, I guess I would say, on this. And it's a beautiful color. And it's kind of, you can see that striping throughout it. So, okay, so far so good. I really like this. It'll look great under some cardigans. And this is by JOA. Now, this is by Olive and Oak, and this is a navy sweater. Again, has the lace front here. It kind of has ribbing in the bottom half here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So, looks like a nice sweater. This one is in small. The other shirt was in extra small, I think. Now, this is by Lush, again in small. Now, this is a sheer blouse. Now, I've usually complained about sheer blouses, but I'm realizing I really need to embrace them because I need to be wearing them under things. I keep viewing them as a standalone piece, but I really need to be thinking about blouses when it comes to layering under cardigans, blazers, things like that. So this is a navy and burnt orange shirt, and I'm really thinking that this could go well under the jacket that I got in my last box, and this is actually probably why they sent it to me. So when I do my try-on, I will make sure to do that. Has just kind of a V-neck there, a tab sleeve which I don't really understand tab sleeves on blouses because they just seem to do this where they don't kind of stay rolled up, and I don't understand it. But again, if I'm wearing it under something, I'd probably just let that tab down so it'll lay a little bit better. And then it is a high-low, higher in the front, lower in the back. You guys know what a high-low is. I don't know why I felt like I need to explain that. Okay, so I like that to potentially wear under the jacket I got last time. Okay, this is by Gill. It is a small, and it is a burnt orange dress or rust. I guess maybe I call this rust. A rust dress, and it looks to be, I think that's long sleeve, and has V-neck and buttons all the way down the front here. This is beautiful though. I really hope this fits because I think this is a beautiful dress. I'm always nervous about things that are small because usually the brands, and I think Gill's may be one of them, where you get something in a small, it's because the smalls actually run small, so it can kind of fit an extra small person, but I still find that it's a little bit larger for me, so we shall see. And then last up, this is in a extra small. The color on it says pine, and this is by Apricot, and this is a wrap dress. Okay, this is a gorgeous wrap dress. Love the green color. Oh, that's just beautiful. Again, green is my favorite color, so you really could probably send me anything in green and I'm just going to love it. So I cannot wait to see what that looks like on me. So let's go ahead and try this stuff on. Okay, first up we have the dress, and I love it. I love the shape of it. I like the 3/4 sleeves on it. Again, it's nice to have longer sleeves. I love the color of it. Here's what it looks all the way around. I like the tie in the front. The downside is commonly with wrap dresses you have issues with the neckline, and this does not have any sort of button or anything here to put it in its proper place, and so it goes down quite deep. So I'm thinking about, if I do want to keep this, I could potentially have a button added somewhere to try to get the neckline up a little bit. I need to hunch over to stay in frame here. So I could potentially get this buttoned here to try to keep it in place. But that's the only downside to this for me, is just that neckline is so low. I couldn't, and I feel like I'd just be playing with it a lot. There's a flap kind of here around it, the neckline, and so I feel like I'm just kind of trying to keep that in place. So there'd be a little work I'd have to do to this. So this may be if the price is right, but I think it's a beautiful, beautiful dress. So let's get the next dress on. Next up, we have this rust colored dress. Again, another beautiful dress. Love the long sleeves. Love the shape of it where it does kind of flare out a little bit. And love the button detail on it. It does button all the way down, and I think those are very pretty. Love the color. I might have already said that. Again, my issue is the neck is very low, so I would have to wear something underneath this. And I feel like maybe it might be a little bit big on me. I'm actually not sure whether this is slightly big or that's how it's supposed to look. I like it. I can't say that I'm like completely in love with it, but I like it. Again, maybe if the price is right, I would keep this. So let's try the tops now. Next up, we have this blouse. I wanted to love it, but it just looks a little bit boxy on me. It fits, I wouldn't even say this is too big. It fits great up top and in the shoulders, bust, everything fits great. It's just kind of a flowier top, but it just feels a little bit boxy to me. So what do you guys think about this? I did want to throw, I just grabbed a quick black blazer to throw over this and see if maybe I like it a little bit better. This is one of my Charlotte Russe blazers. Alright, so I think I do like it better under a blazer, but I'm not sure I love it. Also, these tassels down the front are not my favorite because I just feel like they're going to get nasty over time. So, I don't know. What do you guys think of this top? Alright, let's move on to the next one. Next up, we have this blue top. It fits really well. I love the fit of it. It's comfortable. It's soft. The only thing I was hesitant on is, I don't know how I feel about these lace-up sweaters. I know this is kind of the trend right now, but I just don't know how much I love it myself. But it feels really good and fits well. I think it's cute. And I definitely need more dressy sweaters to wear to work. I'm wearing a lot of cardigans and blazers, but sometimes I just want to throw on a sweater with a pair of dress pants and call it a day. So this would be one that I could just throw on with a pair of dress pants and go. So what do you guys think? Alright, I have one top left, so let's get to it. Alright, so I think we'd probably all agree that on its own it is a little bit loose, boxy on me. The blouse goes quite long. I don't know that I love the look of a long blouse hanging over a pair of dress pants. It looks kind of sloppy to me. So I would definitely have to tuck this in. And I don't know why they make these so long. So by itself, Now, let's try it on with the jacket that I got in my last box. Okay, so I have it on with the jacket, and I like the look of that. Now, do I buy a blouse because I think it looks good under one jacket? Probably not. Again, depends on the prices of things, but I like it. I just don't know that I really love it. Let's go ahead and tuck the front in here, see how that looks. Alright guys, I am ready for some opinions, so tell me what you think, and let's go over the stylist note. I meant to read that before the try-on, but I forgot, so let's do that, and the recap, and the prices, and wrap this up. Alright, let's do it. Okay, so let's go over the stylist notes and what I think of each thing, and then we will talk about prices. Alright, so this sweater by Olive & Oak, this is called the Elaine sweater, and the style note says, the Elaine sweater is a navy front lace-up sweater. Wear it with denim leggings and pants. Okay, and that is $44.99. Alright, $45 for a sweater isn't so bad. And then we have this apricot dress. And the stylist note says this is the Lanette dress with a 3/4 sleeve dark green wrap dress. Pair it with pumps for business dinner / drinks, throw a blazer over a conference or business appointment. Okay, and it is $74.99. So it's beautiful. I just don't know if I'm willing to pay $75 for it. So I'm going to have to think about that. And then we have this blouse. This is called the Natalie Shimmer blouse. It is a tie front blouse in a festive color for the holidays. Wear it with denim dress pants and the pencil skirts from your previous boxes. And it is $45.99. So a little pricey, but man, let's just look at that. That's a beautiful, beautiful blouse. Alright, then we have from Gill. She said, I know you asked for 3/4 or long sleeve dresses. I thought the Gill Marsala dress would look fabulous on you. Throw a blazer over for an added layer in the colder weather. So, okay. I really like this. Let's see what the price is. It is $55. Okay, that's a little bit more reasonable. This one wouldn't take any alterations, but I do feel like it is a bit low. I would have to wear something underneath that. So I don't know. There's a lot here that I'm debating about. So I may end up keeping it. I don't know. I just don't know, folks. Alright, last up is this blouse. This is the Lush Lillith blouse, and the note says, lastly, the Lush Lillith blouse goes with everything. Pair with a blazer or cardigan for an extra layer. I hope you love your suitable U blocks. XOXO Maria. Maria's been my stylist from the beginning, so it's kind of nice to have some consistency and stylist. And this blouse is $42. So, okay, so the The cost of the entire box is $262.97. If I bought all 5, you get a 20% discount, which would make it $52.59. If I buy 3 or more items, then I get the stylist credit of $20 off, and that puts my total at $190.38. So for a full box, you know, $190 isn't too bad of a price. I've got 4 days to decide what to do, and I'm really kind of struggling to decide what I want to keep. With the prices, my inclination, I think I could keep 3 items to get the 10% off, plus there's another 10% off going on right now, and to get my stylist fee back. So I might get, my 3 items might actually be this blouse, because like I said, I recognize my need to wear some blouses under some other pieces, and that helps them not look so boxy and see-through and whatever. So it might be this blouse, the olive and oak sweater, and the Marsala dress. So I'm thinking that's where I'm leaning, but I could easily be swayed in other directions. So give me your opinion, guys. Hopefully I will get this video up before I have to return these items. I'm very conflicted, so help a girl out. Again, if you are interested in trying suitableyou, my referral link is below. And I do want to give a shout out to a couple people who have used my referrals. So Amina, thank you so much. Hope you had a wonderful box. And then we also have Tina, so thank you guys so much. I think I accidentally forgot a couple people for my last box to give them a shout out. So Felicia and Hiso, thank you guys so much for using my referral. That helps me out so much when it comes to doing these unboxings and not going broke. So thank you guys, and hopefully you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, then please do so below, and hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, thanks. Bye.